Okay.
Alright, so this is your test kit. This is what you test the water in. This will test your pH. The right side tests your pH. These will be your pH levels. This side tests your sanitizer, chlorine or bromine, depending on what you use. So your R001 is what tests your sanitizer. You'll drop 5 drops into the left side of the R001, and then you have your R002, and you'll drop 5 drops of that into your left side, and that will give you your reading for your sanitizer. And then you have R004, and that's what you use to test your pH. You drop 5 drops of that into the pH side, and that will test your pH.
And what's pH?
Not sure exactly what it stands for.
I know I should know too.
But all your water, like all types of water, has pH in it, and it's
a balance.
It's a
balance. Okay.
Yeah, if it's too low, it gets acidic, and that's when kids are like peeing in the pools and stuff.
That's no good.
Yeah.
Brat.
But all right, so what you do is you take this, you stick it down.
Pretty far.
Yeah, pretty far, because you want to get a good reading. Kind of rinse it out a couple times so you don't get a false reading. And then you have a line on each side. This side has this line right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. You want to empty the water to the line, just like that.
Okay.
And then this side also has a line, but its line is right there. And so usually what I just do is I give it a little flick, and that will give it where it needs
close
to
where
be.
you need it.
Yeah. Okay.
And
so
then you put the drops in.
yes. So we'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the pH side. Take this one. And for these two, it doesn't matter which order you put them in.
Okay. Perfect. And how often do we do this?
4, 5. You can do it probably once a week. You know, as much as you want, really, just to see where the chemicals are at. 4, 5. And you take it. You cover up the holes, and you just kind of
shaky.
Yeah.
Eggs and bakey.
Exactly. And then right there you can see, kind of just get it into a better light. So your pH is on low. It's at probably, say, around 7.2. You want it anywhere from 7.4 to 7.6 is the ideal pH levels.
For that color.
Yeah. And then for your sanitizer, you want it from the 3 to the 5. And so
we don't have any.
Yeah, you guys are.
Is that chlorine? Or what's the sanitizer? What do you put in for that?
For this, you guys are a salt system,
yeah.
So we'll use jumbo tabs, and they're just big tabs of chlorine, basically. And I'll get like 4 of them, and I'll just put them in your skimmer, and that will kind of
even it out.
Yeah. And then for your pH, we have soda ash, which is basically baking soda, and I'll just throw a big scoop of that in, and that will get it where it needs to be.
So we need to buy baking soda if we want to maintain this, or what do we buy?
I wouldn't say buy baking soda specifically. You might want to actually get soda ash.
Oh, that's what it's called,
yeah.
Soda ash. Okay.
But yeah, you might want some soda ash, just because that's what if your pH is low, you put soda ash in to raise it, and then if it's high, you use acid to lower it, and then just sanitizer it gets low by itself as you
do
use
it all the time.
Yeah.
So you know what you're doing. Okay.
Okay.
So that's this now.
Yeah.
Okay. So that was for this.
That's for your testing the chemicals.
For the kit. Okay. So I'm going to shut that off for right